How was he punching? Was it hurting you?
He punches like a mule kick. Unbelievable. Excuse my French, please. Oh, my God.
En entrant dans les années 90 en force, Mike Tyson et Donovan Ruddock ont été les protagonistes non seulement d'un combat, mais d'une véritable guerre. Un duel qui allait marquer un tournant dans la carrière des deux boxeurs. Dès la première cloche, Tyson s'est rué sur son adversaire avec son style agressif habituel, réduisant rapidement la distance pour frapper le corps de Ruddock. Le Canadien a tenté de le tenir à distance avec des jabs et quelques crochets du gauche, mais Tyson a absorbé ses tentatives et a placé plusieurs combinaisons solides qui ont donné le ton. L'intensité était élevée dès le début et Tyson montrait clairement son intention d'en finir vite. He threw his bomb. Oh, all right. Big punch. He stumbled after the punch. Uppercut by another shot. This is from Douglas throwing an uppercut from outside. He's throwing from way out there. Tyson, the administer, lets them know. There's another one. A good shot by Razor. Doesn't seem to care. A hard body punch by Tyson. Tension with a knife. Both men throwing punches. Any one of which could stop it. Tyson hitting after. Dans un retournement surprenant, Ruddock a réussi à connecter un uppercut puissant du gauche qui a momentanément ébranlé Tyson, ses jambes vacillant un instant. Le public est resté bouche bée face à cette scène rare. Tyson, fidèle à sa réputation, s'est rapidement remis et a continué à presser le corps de Ruddock, mais ce coup laissait voir que Ruddock n'était pas là pour se laisser faire.
Hurricane is building up. There's a big right by Tyson that snapped Ruddock's head right into the opening round. Now he's measuring Ruddock out and see this body attack is killing Razor Ruddock. He has no game plan. And that is it for round two. And see what happened there. There was a punch, and he tripped over, hard to call it. It cost him a 10-8 round. His legs are tangled up there. And down he goes afterwards.
Tyson est de revenu encore plus déterminé, et lors d'un échange de coups, il a envoyé Ruddock au tapis avec un crochet du droit dévastateur. Ruddock, surpris mais courageux, s'est relevé au compte de 8, seulement pour être mis à terre à nouveau dans les dernières secondes du round après un autre crochet explosif. La cloche a momentanément sauvé le Canadien, mais la domination de Tyson était déjà évidente.
Ruddock just went back. Oh, now he's trying to get his uppercuts going. Michael Dokes. Dokes is no. Tyson. Oh, right by Tyson. On his own. It's just a question. Crowd erupting, thinking that he just doesn't quite get there. There's a left by Ruddock. A left by Tyson, and down goes Ruddock. Hey, you okay? Come to me. The bell is sounded to end the third. Was on pay dirt, landing good punches. In comes a counter punch. What a tremendous shot by Tyson.
Malgré le châtiment, Ruddock a tenu bon et a tenté de reprendre sa stratégie en gardant la distance et en utilisant son uppercut fétiche. Tyson a poursuivi sa pression, fermant l'espace et frappant le corps avec des combinaisons rapides. Ruddock montrait une capacité impressionnante à encaisser, même si la fatigue commençait à se lire sur son visage.
Can't leap in there. Oh, body shot by Tyson. Groans. That body shot sounded like he hit a drum. Again, the crowd groans. Relentless attack by Tyson. Oh, a big left by Ruddock. Oh, they hit after the bell.
Tyson a continué sans relâche, travaillant le corps avec des crochets puissants et précis. Ruddock, bien qu'épuisé, refusait d'abandonner, lançant encore quelques coups dangereux qui forçaient Tyson à rester vigilant. Le public saluait le courage des deux hommes, mais la supériorité de Tyson ne faisait aucun doute.
Who has refereed 83 title fights, and former Tyson's promoter Don King. Oh, there's a right hand by Mike Tyson.
Or is honest.
A flurry. Tyson with another right.
He's looking for that uppercut. He's looking for that one thing that can do. Tyson tiring out here also is in the cards.
We are now closing down the 5th round.
Way that Mike Tyson works. Look at that uppercut. Then he comes back with a punch. He continues. You see that later on in that round. Tyson just doesn't give up. There's the right hand. There's the left. There's the right again. And he just...
Le round a démarré avec Tyson coinçant à nouveau Ruddock contre les cordes, le frappant avec des combinaisons féroces. Ruddock, de plus en plus marqué, essayait de répondre avec des jabs et des mouvements latéraux, mais ses jambes semblaient moins solides. Tyson ne laissait aucune ouverture passer.
Continue into round 6 now, and Tyson right above us.
But he's getting chopped down little by little. Whoa, nice right hand by Tyson. Every round in a 10-8 round in the second, so...
Until you sit ringside up close. Oh, what a right hand by Tyson to stay on his feet. He's been knocked down twice earlier.
And then the right hand over. Oh, nice hook.
Here comes Razor Ruddock out of nowhere. A combination Ruddock. An uppercut by Ruddock. A right by Tyson comes back. It's left with the 6th. Tyson, now Tyson says no. Hit me again. And he did with the right. As the bell sounds.
His head went back.
Tyson est revenu pour en finir, lançant une tempête de coups rapides et puissants. Ruddock, acculé contre les cordes, recevait coup sur coup au corps et à la tête. Voyant que Ruddock ne répondait plus clairement, l'arbitre Richard Steele est intervenu pour arrêter le combat.
Well, let's see whether he's getting at it. Let's get at it.
The crowd was chanting Razor, Razor. Low blows by Tyson. Moves on here in the 7th round coming up. That to have taken some steam out of Tyson. Ruddock coming back. Now Tyson with a big left. This kind of barrage. Oh, what a right by Tyson. And Ruddock continues. Oh, the left. Now the right combination. Steele steps in. Is it over? It's over. It's over.
Mais cette guerre n'était pas terminée. Le coup qui allait choquer le monde entier était encore à venir. Le 21 juin 1991, au Caesars Palace de Las Vegas, Mike Tyson et Donovan Ruddock se sont affrontés dans leur revanche très attendue. Un combat brutal qui visait à régler définitivement la rivalité entre les deux boxeurs. Tyson a commencé agressivement dès la première cloche, avançant résolument pour mettre la pression. Ruddock a tenté de garder la distance avec des jabs, mais Tyson a réussi à toucher avec des combinaisons au corps qui ont donné le ton.
That wobbled Ruddock a bit.
Ruddock's eyes look like a jackpot that time.
And they continue after the bell.
Comme un écho du passé, Tyson a placé un direct du droit qui a envoyé Ruddock au sol. Le Canadien s'est relevé rapidement, prêt à continuer, mais Tyson a poursuivi son assaut sans relâche.
Get the punches up, says Millsland. Oh, down goes Ruddock off an overhand right.
6, 7, 8, here we go.
Ruddock in trouble.
Got to get something going to make Mike think about it. Back he goes on his heels. He's in trouble again.
Tyson showing no respect whatsoever for Ruddock.
A low blow. That's 2 warnings. Take a look at that knockdown. the right hand right over that lowered left. That's what he's been doing all day, leaving that left out there.
Tyson a trouvé une autre ouverture et a mis Ruddock à terre avec un crochet du gauche. Ruddock s'est relevé à la limite, mais le combat devenait de plus en plus dur pour lui.
Saw anybody get up off the canvas as well as Razor Ruddock does. He keeps getting up off again. There goes the mouthpiece.
Pretty good left by Razor Ruddock.
That's what he's got to do more of.
It's only the 4th round.
Oh, tremendous uppercut by Donovan.
Now both resting again. And back comes Tyson with a vicious uppercut.
Tyson, for his part, has not finished.
They continue to go at it after the bell.
Let's watch what set Razor Ruddock right down. Perfect right hand. Perfect right hand. But I must say, he gets up better than most people I've ever seen. He seems to enjoy going down. He gets up smiling. Let's look at it from this way. Completely unprotected. There goes the right. That should have put him away.
And the crowd reacting on the big screen.
Le round s'est terminé de façon tendue lorsque Ruddock a frappé Tyson après le gong. L'arbitre Mills Lane n'a pas hésité et lui a retiré un point, montrant à quel point la frustration montait chez le Canadien.
After the bell, both these guys are up.
You lose the point. Point off here.
Tyson a continué à dominer, mais il a lui aussi commis une faute. Un coup bas net qui lui a coûté un point de pénalité. Les deux hommes étaient fatigués, mais refusaient d'abandonner.
Away from Tyson.
Oh, nice.
Good left by Ruddock.
Wonderful left by Ruddock. Again the low blow. Again another low blow.
Oh, what a left hand by Razor Ruddock. It got through, Purdy.
He won the round with his tremendous shot. Watch his shot. Whoa, way up there. I mean, this guy throws from the canvas just about. Another good hammering left hook. Another left hook that just grazed him.
Dans un échange rapproché, Tyson a de nouveau frappé bas et a été sanctionné encore une fois. Malgré ses pénalités, il gardait l'avantage avec des coups puissants.
Tyson, another right hand. Hard.
Tyson digging to the ribs. Overhand right by Tyson.
Ruddock in trouble. Ruddock's face, a mask of pain. Those shots to the ribs caved him in.
Ruddock in anguish. Mills Lane is taking a point off.
But who? Who did he take it off?
He never said. Ruddock. A right by Ruddock that stunned Tyson.
Boy, this is a shootout.
A left by Ruddock.
Tyson not too sure right now.
Tyson a gardé le contrôle jusqu'à la dernière seconde, plaçant des coups nets au corps et à la tête.
But I think he's ahead. Oh, Tyson just got hammered and he comes back fighting.